All right, Devon, good afternoon to you. Fears of a global recession as some of the world's bigger companies are taking huge hits as this fight continues between Washington and Beijing.
Yes, on a very busy local news day, it's really rattling internationally. I mean, analysts are warning of a global recession if this tit-for-tat trade dispute between the US and China does not end soon. The world's two largest economies traded further blows over the weekend. US President Donald Trump said that existing 25% tariffs on some $250 billion worth of imports from China would rise 30% from October. What happens? China retaliates, threatening to impose more tariffs on 75 billion rand worth of American goods. Now, Trump then called for American companies to pull out of China. What did that do? It sent some of the biggest companies, including Apple's share price, down. That company losing about 44 billion US dollars. Look at that. The president has since said that China has requested a return to the negotiating table, but the damage really has been felt on the local market and the rand as well. Let's take a very quick look to see what the JSE did in the negative as global markets remain shaken by those retaliatory moves between those two economic superpowers. The local market is in the negative, as you can see, with a good showing from gold mining shares unable to pull the local market into the positive. The rand, well, it's about 0.5% stronger this afternoon, but still shaken this after the US and China tried to ease investor concerns this morning over its disputes. But even local companies now are beginning to really feel the pinch as this currency remains at that level, 15 rand 28 cents against the US dollars. Importers saying they are unable to manage. 16.99 by the way to the euro. For a British pound, 18 rand 70 cents.
All right.